Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm sorry, I haven't done a cooking video in a long time, so I'm gonna try to do a short video. Happy Saturday. I'm I presume you all are having a great time on this Saturday, right? Hold on a second, let me turn down the TV. I'm actually listening to Joe Rogan's podcast. Bear with me, I'm sorry. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I had some leftovers, chicken skewers, as you can see, from the dinner I had. I think it's my sister. So I chopped these into smaller pieces, and then I have some garlic, chopped garlic and onions. I'm going to basically saute these and make it like a stew. So I have the pan here, as you can see. It's already heated up, so I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this. Hold on a second. Okay, so about a tablespoon, not more than that. And then into this, we're going to throw our chicken, as you can see. And on top of that, we're going to add our garlic and onions, as you can see. There you go, and mix this, let's make it a saute, and then into this, I'm going to add a little bit of spices. Not spices, but my usual. I'm sorry, I apologize. I need to turn on the fan at the lower speed. Okay, so the first thing goes into this is a little bit of turmeric, as you can see. Turmeric is good for your health. And a little bit of cumin seeds, as you can see. That's it, that's good enough, just to give it a flavor, nice cumin flavor. And then a little bit of dry cilantro. I have some dry cilantro. As you can see, cilantro leaves. So add that a little bit. And a little bit of salt. Not too much, sea salt. That's good enough. And then just mix this. As you can see, I'm just going to mix this with, with my hands, like that. All right, so I'm going to let this cook for like maybe 40 seconds, another 40 seconds, maybe 50 seconds. You don't want to overcook this because the meat, chicken is already cooked, so you just want to give it a nice taste with the spices, onions, and garlic. In the meanwhile, I have boiled some rice, as you can see, long grain Texas basmati rice, which is going to go with the chicken, sautéed chicken. And also I have a tomato that I'm going to chop and mix into our chicken. So let me dice the tomatoes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the chicken is, our sautéed chicken is almost ready. I'm just going to add tomatoes, which I diced, as you can see. So just bear with me for a second. Okay, so the tomatoes, as you can see, like half-inch, diced tomatoes. Here we go. Mix this into our chicken, and then just mix it with your hand. And then let this cook for about, I would say, another minute, maybe a minute and 20 seconds. And then it should be ready, right? Meanwhile, I have a little bit of cilantro and a green onion for garnishing, which I'm gonna use. So I'll be right back. All right, everyone, I think our quick dish is ready. So let's see. Looks good, smells good too. So I'm just going to turn off the stove, and then first thing, I'm going to add rice to I have this bowl that I usually use when I serve myself, but you can use a plate, however you want to do it. So first the rice is cooked nicely, you know, for 12 minutes. You cook it or boil it, microwave, and that's good enough. And then on top of this, our chicken. As you can see, that's the rice. And then our chicken, as you can see, looks really good. Just on top of rice, just like that. With caramelized onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Looks really nice, right? Yes. And I'm gonna add a little bit of juice to this, you know, the tomato juice, the juice from the meat, and there you go. And then garnish this with our chopped cilantro and green onion, as you can see. So just garnish these. Here we go. Just sprinkle these on top, and that's your quick dish for the Saturday night dinner. So yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to taste it to see how it tastes. Oh, it smells really good. As you can see, chicken, milk, rice, and tomato. Sorry. All right, so there you go. You can try a quick dish like this at home and enjoy cooking. Bon appetit.